One of the most crucial tasks that you need to learn in order to effectively use Dynamics 365 Business Central is how to create a new item. Anything that your company buys or sells should be tracked in your ERP as an item. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a new purchase item. Since your items list is such an essential part of inventory tracking in Business Central, it is strongly recommended to have it bookmarked to your navigation menu so you can easily access the items list from your home screen. Once you're in the items list, click on the New button in the action bar. This will open a list of template options. Select the template that fits the item you are creating to open a new item card. From here, you can enter the item details, including the item description. Whether it is an inventory, service, or non-inventory item, what unit of measurement is used for the item, such as pieces, boxes, pallets, or by weight or volume. You can also select a category code or service group for the item, as well as a purchasing code, which will detail how an item is ordered and delivered. Below the main item information section is the Inventory tab. Here you can enter the location where the item is stored, the number of items currently in your inventory, and whether or not you want to receive stockout warnings for the item. Next is the Costs and Posting tab. This is where you will select the costing method from the drop-down and input the unit cost for the item. You can also set the purchase price as well as enter discounts and sale prices by clicking Create New at the bottom of the Cost Details options. To the right, you can enter posting details and, if needed, the item's tariff number. Below this is the Prices and Sales tab. Here, you can set the unit price as well as the unit of measure for sales like pieces or boxes. You can also set the service commitment option. Next is the Replenishment tab, where you can set the lead time calculation and details for purchasing, like the vendor number and vendor item number. For production items, you can set the manufacturing policy, routing number, and production BOM number. You can also enter policies and BOMs for assembly items. Under the Planning tab, you can enter a reordering policy, an order tracking policy, safety lead times, and safety stock quantities. You can also set lot-for-lot parameters, like the lot accumulation period. On the right, you can enter reorder parameters and order modifiers, so you can set a reorder point, default reorder quantity, a maximum inventory amount, minimum and maximum order quantities, and set the number of items for each order with order multiple. The Item Tracking tab has space to enter an item tracking code and lot numbers. You can record warehousing information in the next tab, like the item's warehouse class code, physical inventory counting period code, last physical inventory date, and the start and end dates for the next counting. Finally, under the Sustainability tab, you can toggle the GHG credit on and off and enter the Sustainability Certificate number and the Sustainability Certificate name. Once you have entered all of the necessary item information, just hit the back arrow to return to the item list, where your new item is now saved. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to create new purchase items in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, you can enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.